Om. Namo Namah. Critical word indexes, a good concept for study of Sanskrit text. A note by S.L. Abhyankar. I have been studying Sanskrit texts such as Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ishopanishad, indulging in understanding each and every word lexically, etymologically, grammatically, and syntactically, that is, in relation to other words in the phrases, clauses, and sentences. There is often repetitiveness in the words because many words have frequencies greater than one. Possibly this same thought occurred to Rao Bahadur Prahlad Diwanji in 1930s. He compiled a critical word index for the Gita. His book is available at https://archive.org/details/critical word index to Bhagavad Gita /mode/2up. His painstaking perseverance is amazing. Because there are many compound words in Sanskrit, in his book he has compiled indexes by primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary word units. There is also an index by basic form, pratipadikam or dhatu. In the indexes by word units, the word may be subantaha, tigantaha or avyayan. The basic forms in this part have to be appropriately related by the student. Mr. Nilesh Bodas also facilitates a great study of Ashtadhyayi at https://www.ashtadhyayi.com. There is Ashtadhyayi Shabdanukramaha there also. Taking cue from these, I have compiled here below two indexes for words in Ishopanishad. Index 1. Index of words in Ishopanishad as obtained in Padacheda. Note, in the listing below, the coding concept is to be understood by these illustrative examples. At serial number 16, Anyat, 10 apostrophe 2, 13 apostrophe 2 means that the word Anyat appears apostrophe 2, that is twice, in mantra number 10, hence 10 apostrophe 2, also twice apostrophe 2 in mantra number 13, hence 13 apostrophe 2. At serial number 60, there is U, 5 apostrophe 2, 9, 12, meaning the word U appears twice in mantra number 5, hence 5 apostrophe 2. It also appears in mantra number 9 and mantra number 12. So, U appears totally 3 times. At serial number 126, Purnam, Shanti Mantre apostrophe 5 means that the word Purnam appears 5 times in Shanti Mantra itself. This index is similar to the primary index in the book on Gita by Rao Bahadur Prahlad Diwanji. May I read all of them? Let me see how much I can read. Om Shanti Mantre apostrophe 2, 17. Akayam 8. Agradha 1. Agne 18. Atyeti 4. Adaha Shanti Mantre Atha 17. Anilam 17. Anupashyati 6. Anupashyataha 7. Anejat 4. Antarasya 5. Antike 5. Andham 9,12. Andhena 3. Anyat 10,2. 10 apostrophe 2, 13 apostrophe 2. Anyatha anyan apaha apapaviddham apavrunu apihitam abhigachanti abhut amrutam ai arthan arshat avashishyate Shanti Mantre. Vidyaya avidyam avranam ashnute asambhavat, like that. Atmanaha atma atmanam adaya apnuvan iva iha isha ishavasyam u, like what I mentioned. 5 apostrophe 2, 9, 12. Uktim, this total frequency is 4. Twice in number 5 and then 9 and 12, so 4 times. Uktim 18 Udachyate Shanti Mantre Upasate. Eva in Shanti Mantre 2, 6, 7, 10, 13. कल्याणतमं कभी कस्य किं कुर्वन् कृतं के कः क्रतो च जगज्जगत्यां जनाः जवीयः जिजीविषत् जुहुराणं तत् at so many places. In mantra number 5 itself 6 times. And then 10, 11, so total frequency is 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The word tat appears 13 times across Ishopanishad. Tataha 6, 9, 12, 16. Te, it appears 3-2, 3 apostrophe 2, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Tena, tyaktena, tvam, deva, devaha, dhanam, dhavataha, dhiranam. Na appears 2 apostrophe 2, that is 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Nare, nama, naha, purnam, shanti mantre 5, like what I mentioned. Then pravishanti, प्राजापत्य प्रेत्य बाह्यतः भस्मान्तं भुञ्जीथाः भूयिष्ठां ये appears 3 9-2 so 3 1 plus 2 3 4 5 6 7 times yaha 6 11 14 16 vidyaya vidyam vishwani ved vyadadhat shantihi shanti mantra 3 times shanti shanti shanti, that is how we say. So that is counted 3 times. Saha satyadharmaya satyasya samaha samabhya samuho sambhava sambhutim sambhutya sambhutyam sarvabhuteshu sarvam sarvasya sarvani saha supatha. So totally hiranymayena, so many different distinct shabdaha as per the padacheda. The above words can be sorted out in 2 groups as singular words and compound words. Now, looking at singular words, Om, Agrudha, the frequencies are as per the whatever study has been done earlier in the list of 205. Apavruno apihitam, abhigachanti avashyate, atma atmanam madaya idaha, idam iva iha isha u, uktim udachyate, upasate ubhayam, एकम एव एवं कविः कः कस्य जगतां तत् ते दधाति धीराणां परिभूः पूर्णं बाह्यतः भूतानि मृत्युं मोहः ये यः युयोधि राये रूपं लिप्यते लोकाः वयुनानि वायुः वास्यं विचचक्षिरे ईजानतः विजुगुप्सते विद्यया विद्यां विद्यायां विद्वान् विधेम शरीरं शाश्वतीभ्यः शोकः सः सत्यस्य समासमाः समाभ्यः समूह संभवा संभूत्या संभूत्यां. So like that 189 are singular words. The above singular words can be further sorted into groups of avyayaha, subantaha, tigantaha, krudantaha, tadhitaha. The pratipadikani of subantaha can be sorted out into groups of namani, sarvanamani, visheshanani. The krudantaha can be sorted out by dhatavaha and krut pratyaya. Actually, this sorting and analysis should also apply to components of compound words also. So firstly, the compound words. Akayam, apapaviddham, amrutam, avidyaya, avidyam, avranam, asambhavat, asambhutim, asuryaha, asna, viram, atmahana, ishavasyam, ekarshe, bhasmantam, satyadharmaya, sarvabhuteshu. 16. So 189 plus 16, 205. Now index 2. Pratipadikashaha dhatushaha shabdasuchihi. Index by grammatical root words. The idea behind compiling this index was to list the words bringing together words which are related with each other lexically, etymologically and grammatically. This could have helped repetitive mention of such details in the main body, but the reduction ratio of the number of sets of words to the number of words is only 205 to 147. That is only 0.717. Or the average frequency is only 205 upon 147, that is 1.395, not even twice, two times. Studying together the words related to each other, lexically, etymologically, and grammatically, is admittedly a good method of study. This index can be helpful for those interested in such study. Note, in the listing below, the coding concept is to be understood in this illustrative example. See, in the fifth line, adas, adaha shanti mantre, asau 16 apostrophe 2. For the pratipadikam adas, its form adaha appears in shanti mantre and its form asau appears apostrophe 2, that is twice in mantraha number 16. Hence, asau 16 apostrophe 2. In the index of words obtaining by padachhedaha, adaha is at number 6. Asau 16 apostrophe 2 is at number 37. Here both of them are together at number 5 because their pratipadikam is common, adas. Now, Om Shanti Mantre apostrophe 2 17. Oh, as a component of Nai compounds, namely, appears in Akayam, mantraha number 8, Apapaviddham, mantraha number 8, Amrutam 17, Avidyaya 11, Avidyam 11, Avranam 8, Asambhavat 13, Asambhutim 12, Asuryaha 3, Asnaviram 8, and like that. Agni, Agne 18, Ach Udachyate Shanti Mantre, Adas, like what I mentioned, Atha 17, Anila, Antara, Antike, Andha, Anyat, Anyatha, Ai, Artha, Ashnute, As, Asmad, Asmad, it comes in so many forms. Aham in mantra number 16, Naha in mantra number 10, also 13, Asmat in 18, Asman in 18, Atman, Atma in number 7, Atmanam 6, Atmani 6, Atmahanaha 3, in. I have mentioned it in because the dhatu name in Sanskrit Vyakaranam is not, although the dhatu is E, its name is, grammatical name is in. So I have listed it as in. Iti, itaha, idam, iva, iha. Again, the idea of mentioning in is because this dhatu E has also two other names, ik and in. So distinguish which E dhatu here it is. So I have mentioned it as in. Now, Ishavasyam. One component is Isha. If we split it as Isha Avasyam, Ishena Avasyam. And if we split Ishavasyam as Isha Vasyam, two separate words, then Isha relates to the noun Ish, Ekatvam, Eja. So I have done detailed understanding of the word and its pratipadikam. Now, Kaya, Akayam, a part of it comes under a, and Kayam part of it comes under Kaya. So, Chaksha, Vichachakshare, Tat, it appears as Tat in so many places, then Saha at mantra number 8 and 16, Tena in mantra number 1, like that. Drush appears as Anupashyati in mantra number 6, Anupashyataha in mantra number 7, Pashyami as mantra number 16. Drushti is also from dhatu drush. It is with tin pratyaya affixed to drush. The tin is a krut pratyaya affixed to dhatu drush, and that makes it drushti. Drushtaye. So drush, drushti, drushtaye, they all should come together. That is the logic of this index. Dha, apihitam, dadhati, vyadadhat. Purna, purnam. As purnam, it appears in Shanti Mantre 5 times. Purnasya, Shanti Mantre, purnat, Shanti Mantre. purva, purvam, bru. Now bru ahuhu at 93 is 10 apostrophe 2, 13 apostrophe 2. Actually ahuhu is a tigantam of two dhatus, dhatuhu bru and dhatuhu vach. So here at 93 I have bru ahuhu and same references 10 apostrophe 2, 13 apostrophe 2 for ahu, but with dhatu vach as listed in, let me see, vach at 116. So that is why I have listed ahuhu at two places. One at item number 16 for dhatuhu bru and at number 116 with dhatuhu vach. Now bhu, abhut, bhuta sarvabhuteshu and bhutani. Sambhava is also from dhatuhu bhu, asambhavat and also sambhavat in mantra number 13 in two different ways. Similarly sambhuti also is from dhatuhu bhu and asambhutim, sambhutim, sambhuti, sambhutya. The pratipadikam unnecessarily it has got repeated 4 times, but the forms available are asambhutim, sambhutim, sambhutya, sambhutyam in the respective mantra. Bhu, from bhu, paribhuhu is also from dhatu bhu. So it has to be put together into a set for the dhatu bhu. Swayambhu, like that. Bhuyas and bhuyishtha both are related to each other. Like that, yat, ye, yaha, yasmin put together. Then vid is the dhatu from which Veda is this Tiganta form, which appears in mantra number 11 and 14. Vidvas is also from dhatuhu vid, and from Vidvas Pratipadikam we have Vidwan in mantra number 18. Then we have Vidya also from dhatuhu vid. So Vidyam in mantra number 11, Vidyaya in 10 and 11, Vidyayam in 9, Avidyaya 10, 11, Avidyam 9 and 11. So like that, the study is by the dhatuhu vid, shish avashishyate, sarva sarvam. So that list in terms of list of pratipadikani, avyayani and tigantani, krudantani all together referring to the pratipadikani and dhatavaha is 147. The sorting and analysis into groups of avyayaha, subantaha, tigantaha, krudantaha, tadhitaha can now be done for the above 147 words. Note, the compound words appear at more than one places, wherever their components are. For example, the word Atmahanaha in mantra number 3 is in set number 18 for Atman, and also in number 146 for the part Han. The Pratipadikani of Subantaha can be sorted into groups of Namani, Sarvanamani, Visheshanani. The Krudantaha can be sorted out by Dhatavaha and Krut Pratyayaha. Actually, this concept of studying Sanskrit texts by critical word indexes is not any novel concept of the 20th century by Prahlad Diwanji and 21st century by Nilesh Bodas. It is very, very ancient. The best evidence of it is Nighantuhu, which is the critical word index of the Vedaha. For grammatical, lexical and etymological study of the words in Nighantuhu, the accompanying book is Niruktam. Both Nighantuhu and Niruktam are accredited to Yask Munihi. Nighantuhu and Niruktam by Yask Muni certainly deserve to be accredited to be world's first critical word indexes. So I must offer my obeisances. Yask Muniye Namaha. So studying Sanskrit texts by critical word indexes is very much an ancient and important tradition in Sanskrit studies. Mr. Nilesh Bodas also deserves compliments for his great, meticulous, and exhaustive work in that tradition in his website about Ashtadhyayi at https://www.ashtadhyayi.com. By compiling the word indexes for Ishopanishad, I have only followed that noble tradition set by the Munaya. Shubhamastu.